Alright, we're back on this deal again today. Let's see, where did I leave off? Ran out of hard drive space last night. Still waiting for clutches to come in today, so that's on hold. Let's work on the primary for another hour or two after the video quit running last night. So I spent an hour scraping all the damn silicone out of the channel all the way around here. And I was trying to clean out all these holes. A lot of these have been helicoiled. The problem is they didn't helicoil them correctly. They left a tang on the inside of the holes in these things, on some of them. And they're all full of silicone on other ones. So, I don't know if you can see the tang in there, but it's still in there. So if you don't break the tang off, the bolt doesn't go through very well. It causes other issues. This one here, the tang is still sticking up, so it's not installed all the way. I don't know if that still has a tang on that one. Probably not, because if it did, I would turn it in deeper. So I was trying to get the holes cleaned out because they're all full of silicone. So let's get a little small screwdriver. Something about like that. Let's see if the tang is in this one. This one appears the tang is not on it, because I could actually use it if it was. This one here, the tang is still on it. So I could screw it in, but it's in there far enough already. Figures. When you can do it. The one that needs it, you can't do it. And the other one is the other way around. Easiest way to unscrew a test helicoil is to grab a hold of it with a pair of dikes. Like this. Clamp onto it, but don't cut it. It helps to have two hands here. And then you just unscrew it. Hold on to it and unscrew it. Alright, kind of takes two hands to do these jobs, so let's get this tripod over here working again. Gotta get down where I'm at. Working on the floor right now, so bring it down. Alright, down we go. Right to the bottom basement. And at least I got one more layer we could go down, but that ought to be enough. Get over here where you can kind of see what's happening. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. Got my screwdriver I had. So if you bend the tang out a little bit with the screwdriver, it helps. Bend it out like that. And just grab a hold of it and just unscrew it. And they come right out. Voila, she's out. And that's a little short one too. I don't use short ones, I use long ones. So these little short ones stock, I use big long ones. See, mine are real long. Get full thread engagement. In order to do that, you got to make sure it's drilled deep enough and all that good stuff. Alright. Okay, that one's out. See how deep it goes? Well, that hole goes in there this deep. So what I need to do is get the tap drill for this size, which is easiest just a stripped out bolt, 5/16, one size up. It's easy what it takes. This one takes a Q drill. Ooh, it's a little bit bigger than aluminum. So 332. Let's go find a Q drill. I don't know how many they're gonna have to fix here. Where's the damn lever head on this thing? Q was 330 something. There's Q. Like I said, one size above your size is what you use. 21/64 work just fine. Q works fine. It doesn't matter. It's 3 thou difference. 4 thou difference, excuse me. 8 to 2 is 4. Whoopie-doo. Whichever one you come up with will work. So, theoretically, the Q ones are these ones. Q. Just a holder. Driver, whatever you want to call it. Need a little bit of oil. Put all the key ingredients to working on helicoils now. Look at that. Of course, this brush doesn't stay in here, but we'll make do. All right. Oh, I need a drill motor. Drill motor. Oh, that's a drill motor. Putting some power too. We got power. All right. Let's see what they did here. That is not going to work. That's because I'm a dumbass. These are 1/4 inch helicoils. This is 5/16. What a dumbass. See, that's what lack of sleep does for you. I had to drive 20 miles to go get my kit back. It's not even the kit I need. I need a 1/4 inch kit. Dumbass. At least I got my kit back. My 1/4 inch kit's at now. Where's my 1/4 inch kit? Probably the next one I'm missing. Yeah. Great. Now that kit's missing. I'll be back.